Hi guys, I'm back with another dip powder mani. So before we get started, I have on 2 coats of UNT Peel Off Base Coat on top of my builder gel. I have my nail brush, my glitter cuticle stick from Shein, and I am using 2 of the colors from the Sparkling Co June 2022 sub bag. If you want to see the other colors, I will link that video in the description. Not the description, in the cards above, and you can just look at the first intro or sub bag contents. There's titles on there or chapters, so you can go right to the contents of the sub bag. Now I am using Sparkling Co's low odor dip base liquid. Again, low odor liquids dry slower, and they do not cause any dip flue issues for me. Let me say for me. So guys, just hang out with me while I do this dip powder application. So guys, the rim of my base bottle is a little ooey gooey. So what I did off camera, I took a lint-free wipe and with some acetone and wiped around the rim just to get that gooey stuff off. So guys, I'm going in with these decals from Shein.com, which is priceless because I realized, I was like, wait a minute, there's a naked lady on here. Wait a minute now. But I'm cutting that out as close to the decal as possible. I'm then going to remove the plastic topping on it, topper or whatever you want to call it, shield. And I'm going to spray it with water, my usual method. I'm going to apply a sticky base coat to my nails. I'm using Maniology, that's what I have, but you can apply any sticky base coat. Several companies make sticky base coat. I just have Maniology's. I've had it for a long time. It takes a while to go through that bottle. I'll give that about 15 to 30 seconds to dry, and I will adhere the decal to my nail using a stamper. That is pretty much the best method that works for me when applying these water decals. I'm just moving that decal around to where I want it, and I'm going in with Young Nails Ultimate Finish Gel. You do need a UV LED lamp to cure. It is a 60-second cure. It is a no wipe top coat. So while I am applying that Ultimate Finish Gel, again, it stinks to me. It doesn't smell good. Again, I'm sensitive to smells. And then I'm going to go in with these champagne colored rhinestones and just put those around the cuticle area of my the nail on my ring finger, just for a little extraness or adornments to the nail. So after I applied the Ultimate Finish Gel to all nails and cured in my lamp for 60 seconds, I'm going in with Sparkling Co's Cuticle Oil. This is Coconut Beach, smells really good. And I'm applying that to my nail fold and under the nail, and I will massage that in just to rehydrate everything and give it a little extra zhuzh or zhuzh, so that my fingers look moisturized and my nails look nice and shiny. So guys, like this video if you found value, leave a comment, let me know what you think. I do respond, and subscribe to my channel. It is free. So I hope you guys have a wonderful week, and I will see you next week. Thank you so much for watching.